Dear students, now we will start 13.3 exercise. Pi will be taken as 22/7 unless stated otherwise. That means unless it is given to you in the question. Dear students, in this exercise, we will study the application which are based on the shape cone. We will study the applications based on the basis of in the shape of cone, right? So I have given you the formula related to cone. Let us revise. It is a right circular cone, means it will take the cone vertically, we will call it as right circular. That's why we will make right angle here. Center to the boundary, this distance is radius. The vertical length is known as height, and this slanting length is known as slant height, right? And I told you how we can derive for L slant height. As it is a right triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. The side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square L square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, means R square plus H square, and when we will take this square to other side, it will become square root, right? Now curved surface area and total surface area. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Now dear students, what do you mean by curved surface area? Here I have made a cone for you. You can see, if I do not include its lid, अगर मैं इसके lid को include नहीं करती, then this curved portion, this curved part is known as curved surface area. Means no lid is there. इसका lid नहीं हमने ढका हुआ है. Only the curved portion is there. Only the curved portion, this portion is there, and its formula is pi RL. But if we want to calculate the total surface area, तो total surface area हमें कैसे मिलेगा? How do we get the total surface area? For that we have to take this curved, means pi RL plus, here if I place a lid, that what is the shape of that lid? उस lid की हमें shape क्या लेनी पड़ेगी? The shape of the lid will be the circle. The shape of the lid will be the circle. So curved surface area plus the area of the circle, as you can see. And the circular part, this lid is flat. The lid of the cone is flat. This is cone. This is curved surface. This is flat surface which is in the shape of circle. So when we will add these two formulas, we'll get the total surface area. That means curved surface area plus the area of the lid, which is circular in shape as I shown you, and the area of circle is pi r square. Just take out pi and r common. What is left? L plus out of r square, one r gone out, one is left. So this is the formula, right? So in this way you will get two formulas for this. So let us do the questions based on this shape. The diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height, means L, is 10 centimeter. Find out its curved surface area. So dear students, the question is very easy. Question number 1. In question number 1, diameter of the base is given to you 10.5 centimeter. But we need the radius. हमें radius find out करना होता है, तो वो कैसे मिलता है? The half of this. So what do we get? We'll divide it by 2 to get the radius. We can cancel it out or we can keep it in fraction form. The slant height is given to us in the question as L is equal to 10 centimeter. Remember, if they will write slant height, that means L, and if they will mention only the height, then it will be H. Okay. So now we need to find out the curved surface area. So let us write down CSA is equal to pi RL. CSA is equal to pi RL. So before starting the exercise, do write the formulas also, dear students. Do write these formulas in the form of cloud in the notebook, okay, before starting the exercise. So let us put the values. Pi is 22/7. into radius 10.5 by 2 into the slant height is 10. It is in centimeter, it is in centimeter. Radius is in centimeter, centimeter. So that means area we get in centimeter scale. And otherwise also I told you कोई भी area हो units हमेशा square units आएंगी. Okay. So by solving it you will get the answer as 165 centimeter square. So this is the answer. That's it. Very easy question. Now let's do the second question. What is second question? Try the questions yourself also, okay? Before looking at my video, try the questions yourself. Find the total surface area. Now total surface area of cone is needed. If its slant height is 21 meter and its diameter of base is 24 meter. So again, very easy question. Question number 2. Diameter given to you is 24 meters. So first of all, convert this diameter into radius by dividing it by 2. 24 by 2 is 12 meter. Slant height is given to you as 21 meter, dear students. So let us find out the total surface area. It is pi r into L plus r. So let us find it out. Total surface area of cone is equal to, just write down the formula, pi r L plus pi r square or pi r into L plus r. So let us find out. 22 by 7 into radius is 12 into slant height is 21 plus radius is 12. So just solve it. 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. So by solving it you will get the answer in meter square, right? So we'll get, let us solve it. So we'll get the answer as 1244.57 meter square. So dear students, take up to 2 decimal places. Okay. So in this way questions are very easy. You can try the questions yourself also. Now let us do the third question and let us see what is given to us in this question. The curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square. Slant height is 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base and total surface area. Dear students, in this case CSA is given to us. CSA of cone is, so we will start from CSA only. As I told you, always start from the given things. So let us see. So because curved surface area of cone is given to us 308 centimeter square, so we'll write pi r L. We'll start from the given part. Given curved surface area, so we'll apply curved surface area formula. Pi r L is equal to 308. So let us put the values. Pi into r we have to find out in the first part, and slant height in the question is given to us as 14 centimeter. 308 centimeter square. So 7 2s are 14. So r is equal to, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, डिवाइड में चले जाएंगे. 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन 22 इंटू 2 सेंटीमीटर. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, 1 सेंटीमीटर से कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो विल गेट द यूनिट्स एज सेंटीमीटर. और आपको वैसे भी पता है r इज़ द लेंथ इज ऑफ सिंगल यूनिट. And when you will solve it, you will divide 308 by 44. You will get 7 centimeter as the radius of this cone. Now the second part, in the second part they are telling us to find out the total surface area of cone. So let us find out the total surface area. Very easy. Pi r into r plus L. We have r now from the first part. So let us put the values. 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into 7 plus 14 is the slant height given to us in the question. 7 से 7 cancel. 22 into this is 21, and by solving it you will get the answer as 462 and centimeter square, right? तो यहाँ से सेंटीमीटर और इसका 1 सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, वैसे भी ये एरिया है. वी हैव टू राइट the units as this. So write in this way, you will be able to do this question. Now question number 4, let us see. A conical tent is 10 meter high. Now dear students, high means height. इस बार high means क्या आ जाएगा? This is the height, normal height. They are not using the word slant height. So height is given to you h, and radius of the base is 24, right? A conical tent is there. So tent कैसा होता है? This is the tent like. If this is the tent, तो ये आपको tent दिखाई दे रहा है. This is the tent. तो टेंट की क्या होती है आपको? कोनिकल. ये रेडियस इसके बेस का दे रखा है हमें, एंड इसके स्लांट हाइट नहीं, हमें हाइट दे रखी है. एंड find the slant height of the tent and cost of canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square is 77. So in the first part we have to find out the height, and in the second part dear students we need to find out the canvas required to make the tent. तो आप देख रहे हैं ये टेंट बनाने के लिए कैनवस हमें कहाँ कहाँ लगाना पड़ेगा. वी नीड द कैनवस ओनली फॉर द कर्व्ड पार्ट, क्योंकि जो बेस है वो तो ज़मीन का आ जाएगा. So we will find out curved surface area for second part. So let us write down question number 4. Height given to us as 10 meter and radius is 24 meter. So first part we need to find out slant height, that is square root of r square plus h square. So square root of 24 square plus 10 square. It is 576 plus 10 square is 100. So it will be 676. And do you know what is the square of 676? Yes, tell me. What is the square of 670? Square root of 676. Solve karo. Either you can solve it by prime factorization or by long division method. 676. So let us go with 2 as it is even. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, carry 1. 2 8s are 16. Again 2 1s are 2, carry 1 13. 6 are 12, carry 1 18. 6 are 2 9s are. So 169. It is square of 13. Prime number से ही जाएगा. 13 13s are 169. So 13 1. So to solve the square root we need to write all the factors, make the pairs. 1 2 will come out and 1 13. So 13 2s are 26. So slant height will be 26, right? Now we need to find out the cost of the tent, but before that we need to find out the canvas required for the tent. So canvas is required only for curved surface area. Canvas required is equal to curved surface area of tent. So let us find out, that is pi RL. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius. What radius is given to us? Radius is 24 into slant height we got from the first part 26. By solving it you will get the canvas required, right? So by solving it you will get canvas required is equal to this. Now dear students, we need to find out the cost. Now it is given to us in the question, cost of 1 meter square canvas is equal to rupees 70. So therefore cost of 1961.14 मीटर स्क्वायर कैनवस कितनी आ जाएगी? क्या कर देंगे हम? 1 से ग्रेटर नंबर पर जा रहे हैं तो व्हाट डू वी डू? विल मल्टीप्लाई इट. सो विल गेट 70 इंटू रुपीज़ 70 into 1961.4, that is the canvas required, and you will get the cost as rupees 1,37,280. 37,280. That means it is quite a big tent whose cost is 1,37,280 rupees. So I hope the question is clear to you. First of all, in the first part, find out slant height. Then टू मेक अ टेंट यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कर्व सरफेस एरिया, कितना हमें कैनवस चाहिए वो निकालना है. After this, that the cost of 1 meter square canvas is ₹70, so the cost of that much canvas will be this. So I hope it is clear to you. So try the questions yourself.